Very good morning, student. This is Rahul Garg, your maths teacher. Student, today we will discuss our theorem number 1.2, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Before discussing fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we will discuss two types of number, that is prime number and composite number, because fundamental theorem of arithmetic is based on these two types of number. So start with prime number. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which have exactly two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Oh, my prime number is a number which has exactly two factors, that is 1 and a number itself. मीन्स प्राइम नंबर में हमारे पास सिर्फ दो ही फैक्टर होंगे, एक तो वो खुद वो नंबर और दूसरा 1. एग्जाम्पल 2. 2 is smallest prime number. 2 is smallest prime number because it has two factors, that is 1 and 2. And the next example is 3. Same, it has two factors, that is 1 and 3. And then 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So prime number will have two factors. First will be 1 and the second will be number itself. Now composite numbers. So the composite number is a number which has more than two factors. A number which has more than two factors. And the examples are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Now if we discuss 4, then it has factor 1, 2 and itself, means more than two factor, that is 1, 2 and 4. Similarly for 6, the factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So now important note is 1 is neither prime number, 1 is not a prime number and nor composite number. One is not a prime number and composite number. 1 ना ही मेरा प्राइम नंबर है और ना ही मेरा कंपोजिट नंबर है. तो प्राइम नंबर जिसमें दो फैक्टर्स होंगे, एक तो 1 और दूसरा वो खुद, और कंपोजिट नंबर जिसमें दो से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स होंगे. और 1 जो है हमारा ना ही प्राइम नंबर है और ना ही कंपोजिट नंबर है. नाउ स्टार्ट विद द थ्योरम 1.2. Name of theorem is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This is the name of the theorem, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. According to this theorem, it states that every composite number means this, every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of prime numbers. Means every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of prime number. मतलब हम जो भी कोई भी एक कंपोजिट नंबर है उसको फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं उसके प्राइम नंबर्स की फॉर्म में, एंड दिस फैक्टराइजेशन is unique apart from the order in which the prime factor occurs. फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक कहती है कि कोई भी कंपोजिट नंबर है हम उसको फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं प्राइम नंबर की फॉर्म में, और जो ये फैक्टराइजेशन होगा कि यूनिक होगा, मतलब हर एक नंबर का अपना एक फैक्टराइजेशन सिस्टम होगा, कोई भी रिपीट नहीं कर सकता। लेकिन जो ऑर्डर है, मतलब जो ऑर्डर है हम उसको आगे पीछे लिख सकते हैं। ऑर्डर में हम कुछ भी नेसेसरी नहीं है कि ऑर्डर जो फिक्स होना चाहिए ये नेसेसरी नहीं है, लेकिन जो फैक्टराइजेशन होगी वो यूनिक होगी। कैसे, अभी देखते हैं। इफ आई एम टेकिंग 50 then my factors are, I can express this composite number as a product of factors, means 3 into 5, not into 1, because 1 is not a prime number. Now for 16 I can write this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is unique, means for 15 this is 3 into 5. I can also write this 5 into 3, which is said by the theorem, that is apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. मतलब जो हम उसका ऑर्डर है उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स होंगे वो यूनिक होंगे। 15 के लिए हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 ही प्राइम फैक्टर्स होंगे, दैट इज 3 and 5। ये कंपल्सरी है, ये यूनिक है, लेकिन ऑर्डर जो है वो आप आगे पीछे कर सकते हो। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? नाउ we will discuss HCF. You all know the full form of HCF is highest common factor. This is the full form of my HCF, highest common factor. And for LCM, my full form is least common multiple. नाउ HCF में जो भी हम निकालते हैं HCF, तो हम क्या करते हैं, ये प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं स्मॉलेस्ट पावर का, जो भी दोनों फैक्टर्स में कॉमन होती है। तो इसमें हम स्मॉलेस्ट पावर कंसीडर करते हैं, और इसमें हम ग्रेटेस्ट पावर कंसीडर करते हैं। जैसे अगर हमारे पास 140 है, ठीक है, सबसे पहले, और 140 और एक छोटा नंबर ले लेते हैं से 26 and 91, ताकि इजी हो जाए। अगर 26 और 91 में हमें HCF फाइंड करना है, तो हम पहले 26 के फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे। तो फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे, 2 into 13। You can solve this like this, 2, 13 and 13 then 1, and the 91 इसके फैक्टर्स बनेंगे 13 इंटू 7. नाउ we will consider the highest common factor, means the maximum thing that is common in both the numbers. Here this is 13, so HCF is 13 because it is the highest number that is common in both the situation, both the numbers. For LCM we consider least common multiple, that is if I am writing here 2 into 13 and again there is a 13, but 13 is already considered, so skip it and write 7. So my LCM is 13 into 7, 91 into 2, that will become 91 into 2, 182. Now if we want to find out the HCF and LCM of 16 and 48. For 16 my prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. It means this is 2 raised to power 4. And for 48 my factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now this is 2 raised to power 4 into 3. Now HCF will be, my HCF will be highest power, smallest power which is common. Here 2 raised to power 4 is common in both the case, so HCF is 2 raised to power 4 and that is 16. And for LCM my number is, first we will write factors of 2 raised 16 and then which are not written once. Here 2 raised to power 4 is written, now we left with 3, then the LCM will be 48. This will be more clear now with if we taking example 16 and 24. Now for 16 and 24 my factors are, for 16 this is 2 raised to power 4 and for 24 this will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, means 2 raised to power 3 into 3. Now HCF will be highest common factor, that is highest, the thing which is highest common. Here 2 raised to power 4, but here is only 2 raised to power 3, means 2 raised to power 3 is common in both. This is 8. And for LCM first we write 2 raised to power 4, but 2 raised to power 3 is already included in this, then we left with 3. Now check this term. हमने HCF में क्या कंसीडर किया था कि स्मॉलेस्ट पावर को लिखना है जो भी कॉमन है, और LCM में आपको ग्रेटेस्ट पावर लिखनी है जो भी कॉमन है. तो यहाँ पे देखिए जब हमने 16 का लिखा तो 2 raised to power 4 और 24 के जो फैक्टर है 2 raised to power 3 into 3. HCF के लिए हमें स्मॉलेस्ट पावर कंसीडर करनी थी, तो स्मॉलेस्ट जो पावर है वो कौन सी है 3, तो 2 raised to power 3. और LCM के लिए हमें ग्रेटेस्ट पावर कंसीडर करना था, तो 2 raised to power 4 इज ग्रेटर, सो 2 raised to power 4 into 3. This will become 48. 48 will be the LCM. Now student, as maximum student have books, so we will from now onwards we will discuss only statement through our maths, that is our NCERT math. ठीक है, आप उसमें से देख लेंगे क्वेश्चन. मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर बोल दूंगा क्योंकि मुझे स्टेटमेंट लिखने में बहुत हमारी वीडियो की लेंथ बढ़ जाएगी, इसलिए क्या करेंगे स्टेटमेंट मैं आपको यहाँ से दिखा दूंगा. सबके पास क्या है, आपके पास बुक्स हैं. हमारा जैसे 1.2 एक्सरसाइज का फर्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन है, एक्सप्रेस ईच नंबर एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर. सो हमें 140 को उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट में एक्सप्रेस करना है, तो 140 सबसे पहले 2 पे डिवाइड करेंगे, देन इट विल बिकम 70, देन अगेन 2 दैट इज 35, नाउ ऑन 5 it will become 5 and 7. Now 140 can be write as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. This is our 145 is written as the product of prime factor because 2, 2, 5, 7 all are the prime numbers. And if we further write this can be written as 2 raised to power 2 into 5 into 7. This is our answer. Now here we have an important result that is product of HCF and LCM of two numbers, that is HCF of two numbers say A and B and the LCM of two numbers say A and B equals the product of two numbers. This is our important result, that is product of HCF and LCM of two number. HCF and LCM of two numbers equals product of that two numbers. Now if we want to solve the question number second of exercise 1.2, here we have find LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF equals product of two numbers. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, उन दो नंबर्स का HCF और LCM निकालना है और उसके बाद वेरीफाई करना है कि LCM into HCF क्या है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स. Say number is 26 and 91. Now we can write 26 as 2 into 13 and 91 can be written as 13 into 7 and the HCF is 13 and the LCM is 2 into 13 into 7, that is 182. We have already discussed this in our previous in our sheet number 1, that is here. Now we have to verify that the LCM product of LCM and HCF equals two number, that is 26 into 91. LCM जो आया हमारा 182 और जो HCF आया वो है 13 और यहाँ पे आपको 26 इंटू 91 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. अगर आप दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो वो दोनों सेम आएंगे और आप एंड में लिख दोगे हैंस दिस इज वेरीफाइड. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ you have to do exercise 1.2 first question and second question on your fair notebook, and tomorrow we will discuss the remaining question. Okay student, thank you student, have a nice day.